Say if Michelle had two mangoes, unanielewa? If Michelle had two mangoes and Michelle gave Mwengo one, how many mangoes will you? Okay, thank you so much.
Yes.
Umekuwa hapa?
Yes, hadi Michelle.
Michelle, amekuwa hapa? Hey. But no that time, kwani siku hizi huonekani ama nini? Umemwona hapa? Okay, but it's like sijakuona leo. Anyway, as I was saying, if you had two mangoes and you ate all of them, how many mangoes will you be left with?
I will left with nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah.
Basi ni mimi sijakuona.
Yeah.
Okay. So now, kila mtu ameelewa? Are we together mpaka hapo?
Yes.
Everything umeelewa kabisa?
Yes.
Okay. So now to the next one.